Doing a service light reset and oil change on a KTM rc8 today. To do the service light to begin with, see the service, it'll hold plus and minus, a couple seconds. Go down to settings, down, hold plus and minus again. Go down to service reset. Ask you yes or no. Yes. Go 3,000 miles. Be safe. And that's it. No more service light. Next service 3,000 miles. On the oil change, get two of these, pull them out, one from here and the front one up there. Clean your screen. There's a small magnet inside right here. Clean that off good. I use this little pig funnel thing. Works out pretty good. Keeps you from making too big of a mess. After that, just put them back in, change your filter out, fill her full of oil, and go for a ride. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Enjoy.